Have you ever felt like voices in video sound too quiet or unclear on your phone? Dolby Atmos isn't just an on or off feature on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Choosing the right mode can dramatically improve how voices sound. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap Sound and Vibration, scroll down the screen, tap Sound Quality and Effect, tap Dolby Atmos, and then turn it on. Next, choose a mode, Auto, to adjust sound automatically. Movie, it's best for film and videos. Music, for richer and fuller music. Or Voice, to make dialogue louder and clearer. As the example, if you often watch YouTube, online classes, or short videos, voice mode is the one to try, as it helps voices stand out even when there's background noise. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.